Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn how to master Austrian German with the help of just 3 simple words. We are going to talk about 3 words that are very helpful for everyday communication in Austrian German. If you know these 3 important words, you're able to understand and talk like a local. If there are other words that are even more important, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn 3 important words in Austrian German that help you to understand fast everyday conversation on the one hand, and on the other hand, you're able to talk like a local when you're able to use these 3 words. First of all, we focus on the word Passt. Passt is used in many cases and has several meanings. For example, it fits means passt. It suits also means passt. You're happy, you can say passt. Everything's alright, passt. Even that'll do means passt. All these words and phrases can be translated with the help of the little word passt. The second word we take a look at is a very short one, namely E doesn't have a special meaning. On the one hand, it is used as a gap filler. If you don't know what to say, you can always choose E. On the other hand, can be used to emphasize a word or a phrase. For instance, Passt, you know, Summer, we are anyway, Passt, it's alright, Geht, it's okay anyway. Another usage of is to agree with someone. For example, your means that you agree with the answer yes. Na means that you agree with the negative answer. If you want to find out more about the strange word please check out my video about it. The third word I'd like to point out is Oder. Oder is very popular, especially among young people. It may be translated as old one or bro. Oder has even more meanings than Passt. For example, you can use Oder when you're surprised, when you're excited, when you're angry or happy. To understand the exact meaning of Oder in each situation, it is necessary to know the context in which it is said. All in all, I have made a longer video just about the word Oder. If you're interested in it, please take a look at it. By the way, Oder is not used in very formal contexts. After having watched this video, I hope you're a bit more familiar with the words Passt, and Oder when you hear them in everyday conversation. Summing up, we can conclude that Passt can be said whenever you're alright. Can be used as a gap filler. And finally, you can choose Oder whenever you want. However, you should be a bit careful when you use it in formal contexts. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen und Servus.